Welcome back to it Mapagania. We back with another one. Sphetsi legend bafethu sikhule sizwa ngaye ayashisa amateki Prapashini umnandi.
Angimnandi wena?
Ngimnandi. 1-1 draw from Orlando Pirates and Kaizer Chiefs. How did you see the game?
Yeah, igame yona beyinzima kakhulu ngoba the way ngibona ngakhona compare the last game le Derby, this time Kaizer Chiefs is in a plan yokuthi banganizi Pirates i-chance yokudlala.
Yes, that's true. So do you think Kaizer Chiefs team ekumele ijabule from this game compared to Orlando Pirates?
Bona kusho the way futhi beze ngakhona i-Kaizer Chiefs bebangazalanga i-win kahle kahle bona bebafuna i-draw ngoba the way bebadlala ngabantu abayi-5 emidlini. So esikhathini esiningi i-Kaizer Chiefs beyinga-attack nje 1 2 3 lawo ama-chances lawo, and then but esikhathini esiningi beba defend.
Yes, true. So do you think thina khona into mesingayenza better today, like compared to the performance esiyiphile khona okunye mesingakuyenza better?
I think for mina esayitini lami the way ngibona khona i-mistake enziwe i-coach bengafunelanga i-change i-team ngoba i-team from first half beyidlala kahle. So if i-team beyidlala kahle, there is no need ukuthi ukhipha abantu mawubona ukuthi ngempela manje sekulo ngoba bheka ukuphuma kwamakhawula kwenzakaleni
Kube kwavula imbobo.
Ngoba kahle kahle omunye umuntu namhlanje beyangekho egamini umbatha abeyangekho egamini namhlanje nguye kahle kahle usiphulele kakhulu. Beyangekho egamini yabo. So and then Leboge lo Mofokeng yena uthi nje bekune mandate ephumile ukuthi lo muntu lo angatholi nechance e1 ukukhahlele.
Yes,
yabo. But enye into engijabulisa ngoMofokeng ukuthi uMofokeng manje uyakhula, each and every game uyakhula, uyamature.
Yes,
ngokuhamba kwesikhathi uzoba right kakhulu.
Yes. So do you think Mofokeng is a winger or a number 10? Because like there's always that question ukuthi which position does he play best? Esayidini or phakathi as a number 10?
For mina uMofokeng mfethu angeke ngithi number 10 or in uMofokeng kufanele nimnikeze i-free role. Free role adlale la afuna ukudlala khona ngoba at least yena uyakwazi ukwenza izinto ezenzeke. Futhi omunye umuntu namhlanje i-performance yakhe engijabulisile uTito. uTito thina angena igame yethu yachange. Yachange kakhulu.
So Prapashini, because we always having these questions ngoTito ukuthi uTito is always getting less minutes. Not today, I don't think if Muremi mekalimele mekazongena first half ungene because of Muremi mekalimele injury. So do you think uTito deserves a lot of time from our coach?
I mean kula game khona ama-game adlalela uTito bekadeserve ukuthi naye aqale negame ngoba if kuthiwa wonke umuntu unezwa i-chance kufuneka wonke umuntu aneze i-fair chance.
Yes,
ngoba I think enye into mina engekhalela kakhulu, okay, uMbuthuma usesumfana omncane, but if sinomuntu unjengoMakgopa, uMakgopa mina into engithanda ngayo makalapha phambili, uMakgopa uyakwazi ukuthi abantu abayi2 by3 baconcentrate kuye and i-backline ayiphumuli uMakgopa makalapha yana. And anything uMakgopa uyakwazi
ukuswinela igame. Yes. So when njengoba like Orlando Pirates legend, what do you think is the secret of winning a derby? Because we always hear legends. I haven't played a derby myself, but you always hear I'm a legend, but it derby inzima. Thina as fans we can see and think ukuthi player kube lenze so, but we don't know what's happening inside. So like tell us ukuthi what's the secret of winning a derby?
Yabona i-derby mfethu manje leli gama ngeke ngilikhulume lana phakathi kwabalandeli, but kufuneke ube
brave.
Ube brave.
Yes.
Ngoba okoqala nje yabona le beach le.
Yes.
Yasinda le beach.
Ngiyayizwa nami manje.
Yasinda. Akusinoma ubani nje afike kule team lena enzigram.
True.
Kunzima kakhulu ungababona abantu bagijima endleleni baphele ba-offrembe. Kunzima la akudlalwa la. Mawusayine le team lefuna ukwazi indaba zakho.
Yes.
Mangazi indaba zakho uzoba senkingeni.
Yes. So i-secret Prapashini yokuwina iderby What do you think it is? Because like nah, Kaizer Chiefs, as much as the batch Linzima and Tina, we have a rich history more than them. But now they are a big team on their side. So what do you think? Like it's a secret of winning a derby from Labantu Lava Abama competitor against us.
Indaba into ebuhlungu ngedabi angeke ukuthi khona secret yakhona.
Yeah.
Ngoba the only thing eniyenza edabini maningasebenzisa lawo ma chance nizowathola niyawina.
Nyawina.
If ningawasebenzisi niba sengozini.
Yes.
Iyo nje into engayisho ngoba ayina secret. Ngoba bheka lama team khona manje makeza kanje wonke bheka win.
Yes.
Namhlanje uku different story.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So do you think you still stand a chance of winning this league?
Mina mfethu bengisakhuluma no Tebza ngimtshela ngithi yazi this time i-league ifuneka isithathe.
Yes.
Na kanjani? Ukuthi sithatha kanjani mara kufuneka sithathe.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah. So who was the man of the match? Namhlanje.
No kahle i-man of the match ngoba uJames Ashile. Lo goalkeeper we-Chiefs ubancedile.
Udlale kakhulu.
Ubancedile.
Yeah.
Hayi ubancedile otherwise ngabe hayi sikhulume into.
Ane.
Angabe sikhulume into.
Yes.
Yeah.
So cela nje simotivate la ama-gents ama-player as like someone odlulile le ndlela le. Cela nje ubaphe a message to motivate them ukuthi you still on the league because like wazi kangcono kunabo.
Mina ngithi kule team esinayo manje amabhakaniya. Ngicela abafethu concentrate ene sibe nalento ukuthi masingene groundini siyolwa. Silwelane. Kungabe nokuthi si-expose omunye umuntu asilwelane sidlale as a team.
Yes.
Ngoba masiluza sizoluza as a team. So that's the only way ezokwenza ukuthi ngoba makuqala isizini ngisho ngathi the only team ezodla i-Pirates.
Which is that's the case iqiniso. You've heard it mabhakaniya from our legend. Kunokunye kumele like isikudlulise iskipper sakhe ayashisa amateki sikhule simamela. I think sekune merchandise yakhe angasitshela kangcono ngayo.
Mabhakaniya bopha mabhakaniya ngiyacela ngizocela isupport kini bafethu. Kuna leskipper ngisifakile ayashisa amateki. Lena kusese isample mara ngokuhamba kwesikhathi ngizoyikhipha nginitshele ukuthi seyilungile bayitholakala kanjani. Ngicela nje isupport yeni kakhulu. Kuzoba amateki nama tracksuit kanye nalo iteki
liyashisa.
Yeah.
You've heard it mabhakaniya once and always ebhakaniya, you know my gents ngama family. Let's keep the legacy of our legend bafethu. Bopha Ndlemnyama bopha.